Man robbed and shot in the face in halfway tree. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news item. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was robbed and shot in his face outside Sagicor Bank at Tropical Plaza halfway tree on Friday. Preliminary reports are that the man was on the corridor at the plaza when he was approached by two men who shot and robbed him of a bag he was carrying. The bag reportedly contained cash. The robbers escaped on a motorcycle and the injured man was taken to hospital. The Halfway Tree police has so far ruled robbery as the motive behind this latest shooting. The injured man was taken to hospital, but up to the publication of this report, his condition is unknown. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.